Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove a member in ClickUp. This is very simple and straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First thing you will have to do is to go right here to your profile picture. This will open up this menu where you can click Settings. Click on that. Now go to this left panel where you see People right here. Click on that as well. As you can see all members down here. You can see all users like so. So this is what you will probably see. So just click on this drop down like here and then click on members, and this will show you all the members. And you can go right here to these three dots and click on remove down here and then remove like so. And now this member has been removed. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.